Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am sharing with all of you the beautiful puffin bird which is made using paper quilling strips. So I will share each and every step of how to make the bird, how to make 3D wings along with the background painting and these small cute wild flowers. And the complete painting is looking just amazing, isn't it? So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. Here I have already created the sketch of puffin bird on white cardstock. This is 200 GSM cardstock and I have given the link of this sketch in description box. You can just download it and print it on 200 GSM thick sheet. Or you can simply print it on normal paper and trace it on thick cardstock. So first of all, before starting with the quilling work, we have to paint the background so that if any work is visible after doing the quilling, it should match with the base and it should not look white. So here I am using my gouache colors to paint the base, but you can also use chalk paints or acrylic colors. So quickly completing the painting work. And this is completely done. Allow it to dry. Then starting with my first shape, for this I am taking 1/4 strip of black color in 2 mm and making one bended leaf shape. For my bird, today I am using only 2 mm strips. And all supply links are given in description box if you want to purchase anything. And also don't forget to check out the coupon code for extra discounts. So one by one we have to fill the spaces, and according to the size of the base space we have to create our shape. So here I have prepared the bended leaf shape using peach color strip, then added one small tiger using orange strip, then creating the beak. For all the shapes, either I have used bended leaf shapes or the teardrop shapes. That's it. So for the beak I am using here orange 2 mm strip. And between top and bottom beak I am putting one thick layer of white color strip just to divide the beak. Now starting with the head portion, for this I have created bended teardrop shape using 1/4 strip. And this is done. Then I am adding eye. And then it's time to fill the face portion. So for this I am taking here 1/8 strip of white color in 2 mm and making one small teardrop shape, and with the similar method we need lots of small teardrops. So start filling it from one corner stick the shapes very near to each other so that it will fill all the gaps and it will look nice and completed. So this is done and it's looking very pretty. Then it's time to create the neck portion. So for this, here I am taking 1/4 strip of black color and making one bended teardrop shape, and with the same method we need some more bended teardrops. Now taking back the painting, add little glue and start sticking these teardrop shapes to cover the neck portion. And this is done. With the same method, I am going to cover the white portion using white bended teardrop shapes. So this is done. Now it's time to do the outlining from outer side for the finishing. So here I am using white strip, attaching it from the outer layer, and I am adding here 2 layers. So this is done and the white portion is completely ready. It's looking very pretty and nice and finished. With the same method, I am going to cover the black portion using black teardrop shapes, and after doing this, it should look like this. Now I am starting with the wing part, which is 3D. So for this, we are needing 1/8 strip of grey color in 2 mm, just making a small teardrop shape. And with the same method, I have prepared lots of teardrops because we are going to utilize this to create the wing, and we need grey more than the blacks. So here I am using my silicone glue, putting it on the edge of wing, spread it nicely with any backside of paintbrush or any toothpick, and then start tucking the teardrop shapes one by one inside the glue. With the help of silicone glue, you can create the 3D shapes. It will not fall down, it will hold its place like a 3D shape. So after doing first row, I am tucking the second row, and behind or below each teardrop we have to add next teardrop. So in this way you will have the dimensional look of the wing. So the grey wings are attached. Now it's time to attach the black one. So with the similar method, I have prepared lots of black color teardrops, and now I am adding the black shapes. And the upper wing is completely ready. With the similar method, I am going to repeat the process for below wing, and after doing it, it should look like this, very pretty. It's very simple. You just need lots of shapes and silicone glue, that's it. Now it's time to create the bottom part of leg and the foot. So to create bottom part of leg, here I am taking half strip of white color in 2 mm and making one semicircle. with the same way I have prepared one more. Now to create leg, here I am taking half strip of yellow color in 2 mm and making one triangular shape. Similarly, I have prepared one more. Now to create heel area of foot, here I am taking 1/4 strip of yellow color and making one small bended teardrop shape. So all the shapes are ready. Now taking back the bird and start attaching these shapes. For the leg portion, here I have just joined few yellow strips together to create thick bunch. So I am using this as the leg and wrapping this whole leg using yellow color strip for the finishing. And legs are ready. Now it's time to cut the bird and legs by doing the edge cutting. So first I'm separating the legs from bird and then start cutting the design from the edge. Do it very carefully, don't cut your quilling patterns. And this is completely done. With the same method I am going to cut the legs. So I have attached both the legs using glue with the bird, and our beautiful and super gorgeous paper quilled puffin bird is completely ready. Now it's time to create the background. So here I am taking 16 by 17 centimeters white color cardstock. This is 250 GSM cardstock. Here I have prepared one diagonal line to divide the sky with the grass. So for the sky, here I am using light blue gouache color and just completely painting the base. Then for the grass, I am doing little shading using olive color and dark green color. Then creating some clouds. So just adding little bit of white color using brush and using your fingers just blend it. So you will have natural looking clouds very easily. Just highlighting the tip of cloud using little bit of more white color. Then creating a small grass strokes using thin brush, and here I have used dark green color, light green colors, and randomly creating the lines to give nice deep grass look. And this is looking very realistic, isn't it? I have created millions of grass. Just kidding, it's just a 10-minute work. And also created the ocean line using dark blue color. Then to create the small white flower, here I am taking 1/4 strip of white color in 5 mm, just creating a fringes using scissor and creating the fringe flower. Just open all the fringes and the super cute small flower is ready. With the similar method, I have prepared some flowers in white color and some in pink color with the same process. Now to create leaf or the grass, here I am taking dark green color 2mm strip, just creating 3 loops in increasing order, and the grass or the stem is ready. With the same method, I have prepared lots of grass using different shades of greens. Then taking back my painting, I have already painted with some small dots of pink and whites to create the bunch of flower look, and then I am sticking my puffin bird exactly in the center. The bird is looking absolutely stunning in contrast of blue and green, and then it's time to attach our small wildflowers. So first I am sticking all the stems and grass, and then I will attach the flowers. So after adding all the elements, our beautiful puffin bird, who is waiting for his friend on the edge of the seashore, it's completely done. And now here I am going to put my painting inside the frame. The frame tutorial I have already given in my channel. If you haven't checked it yet, just check the link in description box. You can find it there. And after putting it inside the frame, the painting is looking more attractive. You can just put it like this to decorate your room, or you can also gift it to your friends or nearer ones. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.